Hey guys, this is Thomas from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make your Facebook posts private on mobile. Want to hide one of your posts and make it private so that only you or your friends could see it? You can easily do it by tweaking your post privacy settings. Just follow these steps. Open a Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Proceed to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture at the top left. Now scroll down and find the post which you would like to make private. Click on three dot icon at the top right corner of this post. Click on Edit Privacy from the menu. Select Only Me to make it visible only for you. In other words, this post will become private. That's how you do it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make your Facebook post private on mobile. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.